Welcome to In Search of Food, where cooking and eating out does not have to be expensive, where I ignore the Michelin stars and find value for a meal. Welcome back to In Search for Food. Once again, I'm Anton here at the Ginger and Onion Restaurant for the cheap dim sum. 歡迎咁多位睇我嘅 YouTube 頻道。今日我喺 Ginger and Onion 食嗰啲平點心，入去呢邊睇有冇好嘢食啊！The beef rice rolls were soft, moist, and neutral, not overly salty, and very tasty. 嗰啲牛腸幾好食，嗰啲粉好滑又唔係太鹹，幾好食。The shrimp dumplings, hagao, was very good. The shrimp on the outside, the skin of the dumpling was soft, moist, and thin. And there was plenty of shrimp inside. It was good. 嗰啲蝦餃幾好食，嗰啲粉好滑啊，呢邊有好多蝦餃幾好食。The black bean spirits were quite good, but a little bit over-salted, and there's not a lot of meat on it, but overall it was good. 嗰啲排骨好食，不過要少少太鹹，又唔係好多肉喺嗰啲排骨，不過好食。The siu mai was nice and large and very tasty, but it was just a little bit on the dry side, but overall good. 嗰啲燒賣好大嚿，幾好食。嗰啲燒賣不過要燒燒乾啊，或者佢煮太耐。Now here are my final thoughts. The service was good, the food was good, but the dim sum did come out a little bit slow, but it was fresh and piping hot. That's all that matters. 咁而家我應該食完飯啦，而家我講你聽，服務幾好，食嗰啲點心亦幾好，不過嗰啲點心要少少慢出嚟啊，佢嘅點心好生鮮，好辣，好食。Once again, thanks for watching my YouTube video on eating at Ginger and Onion Cheap Dim Sum. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos of me eating out. 歡迎咁多位嚟睇我個 YouTube 頻道，喺呢個煎釀恩人食嗰啲平點心。下次我會介紹好嘢俾你食，下回有期。唔該你 Like and Subscribe，多謝你先，下次會見。